Hi and welcome to that short video how to change your headlights from a Mazda MX-5 Miata NB to the headlights from the NBFL. If you originally worked with that 3-prong plug, the best way is to cut it off. And what you have to know is that here on the right side of the car, this green cable comes with the power. The red one is ground for your lights, and the white one is ground for your high beam lights. It's similar on the other side, the color is just different. Let me show you that. On the driver's side, it's the same. That one comes with the power. This one is for your lights, and this one is for your high beams. To finally do that job, you need 2 plugs to fit on the NBFL headlights. So there's this one for the low beams, and there's this one for the high beams. And as you already know, they are marked with power and ground, both of them. So, and as you already know, they do share the power cable, which was on the left side, the green one. So you have to connect both power lines to the green one, and individual ground depends on low beams and high beams. And that's it. Good luck.